In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download and install Figma on a Windows PC. We'll walk through the whole process from inside the Figma web interface, so by the end you'll have the desktop app installed and ready to use. I'll also share a few quick tips along the way to make sure everything goes smoothly. First, open your web browser and go to the Figma website, then sign into your account. Once you're logged in, you'll land on your Figma dashboard where you can see your files and drafts. At the very top left corner of the screen, you'll see your profile area. This is usually shown as either your initials or a small profile picture, along with your account name. Go ahead and click on that profile section in the upper left. This opens a small menu related to your account and app settings. In this menu, look for the option that says Get Desktop App. This is the official way to download the Figma desktop application directly from Figma, which is always safer than downloading from random websites. Click on Get Desktop App. As soon as you do that, Figma will start downloading the installer for Windows. You might see a small bar at the bottom of your browser or a download indicator, depending on which browser you're using. Wait for the download to complete before moving on. If your browser asks for permission to save the file or warns you about downloading an executable, just confirm that you want to keep it, since this is from Figma's official site. Once the download has finished, open your Downloads folder and find the Figma installer file you just downloaded. Double-click that file to start the installation. At this point, simply follow the on-screen prompts. Typically, this means confirming that you want to run the installer, agreeing to the license terms, and then clicking Next a few times until the installation begins. If Windows shows a security message asking if you want to allow this app to make changes to your device, choose Yes to proceed. When the installer is done, Figma will usually open automatically. If it doesn't, you can find it in your Start menu like any other program. Sign in with the same account you used in the browser, and all your files and drafts will sync automatically.